Ally is an integrated tool in eCampus that can help make sure the content in your course is accessible to all your students. Whether a student-athlete or busy parent who would prefer to listen to reading assignments, international students who'd like a translation, or a student with a disability who needs to use a screen reader or captions, Ally can help you ensure the academic success of all students. There are two places you will see Ally at work in your eCampus content areas. Ally can provide alternate formats of documents and text that are shared in the course content for both faculty and students. Faculty can see instructor feedback and guidance about the accessibility of images, files, and items in the course by checking the Ally Accessibility Meter. You can also view an accessibility report for the whole course. This view provides multiple ways that you can review the accessibility of each item or file, including which easy-to-fix or lowest-scoring items can give you a quick score improvement. Let's see how students and faculty can obtain alternate versions of eCampus files and other content using Ally. Both students and faculty can access alternate formats of content in eCampus, including text items and uploaded documents. Click the Ally icon next to any course content item to see the available formats. For the example text item, you'll see options to review the content as an EPUB ebook file, an electronic braille file, an MP3 audio translation, a Beeline reader file, or an immersive reader version. We'll select a downloadable audio version and click to download the audio file. Ally will prepare the download. When your browser notifies you that the download is complete, open the file. Use your favorite audio application to hear an oral version of the information.
Welcome to eCampus 101. In this course, we will review how to navigate WVU's LMS.
Ally can also help you fine-tune your existing content to be more accessible for everyone by suggesting improvements with the accessibility meter. For content items where you've typed text and added images directly in eCampus's editor, you can see the accessibility meter in the editing view. Click the drop-down to edit an item. The accessibility meter will appear above the editing box. Click the meter icon to open the instructor feedback page, where you can see that some of the text needs more contrast. You can apply a correction right here. You can even ask Ally to fix all of the contrast issues at once. You will see the accessibility score for the item improve. After correcting the accessibility issues on this content item, submit the changes to save them. For images placed in a content area, you can see the Ally meter on the main content page. The meter tells me this image is not very accessible. Mouse over the meter to see the score. The score is low. Let's click the meter icon to see how we can improve the accessibility of this item in the instructor feedback area. Ally gives this image a 25% accessibility score because it's missing a description. Click the button to see what this means. Ally provides some information about alt text and why it's important to include with images in your documents. Ally also provides some guidance on how to write a good image description in your alt text. Here you can read several pages of examples and explanation on how to write helpful alt text. We'll go ahead and enter a description of this image. Click in the text box to type, and then click Add to save the description. When the changes are saved, you'll see a new accessibility score for this item. Click Close to return to the eCampus content page. You can see the new scores reflected by the icon here on the content page too. Ally also provides a report on the accessibility of the whole course. An overview page shows you any easy fixes and low-scoring items that can quickly improve the score. The content list shows all the items in the course and links to instructor feedback guidance to clear up any accessibility issues. You will find the accessibility report in your Course Tools menu. The report opens to the Overview page, where you will see the overall accessibility score for the whole course and a chart displaying the types of content in this course. Clicking View will take you to the Content page. Also on the Overview page is a link to a list of the easiest fixes for accessibility issues in the course. Click Start to view the Easy List. The Easy List shows items that can be fixed with a minimum of effort. Sort the list by item name, number of issues, or score. Click the item to view the accessibility instructor feedback and fix it. The instructor feedback tells us this image is missing alt text. You can fix it by adding a description here. The Overview page also includes a list of items with the lowest accessibility scores. Fixing these will make the most impact to the overall score for the course. Below the Quick Views is a list of all remaining accessibility issues in the course. This list is also sortable by severity, issue type, or number of content items affected. Click on any issue type to view the documents or items. In this case, an item where HTML content lacks sufficient contrast is listed. You can click on it to open the instructor feedback page and fix each issue. On the feedback page, the text that needs more contrast has been highlighted, and you can choose to simply switch the font color and apply to correct it. You can also navigate to the next issue in this content item, or apply the fix to all occurrences. The other page of your course's accessibility report is the Content tab. The content list shows each item and its type with the number of accessibility issues and score. You may also sort this list on any column. And click on any item to open the instructor feedback page. Different content types will have different instructor feedback. This PDF has images that are missing alt text. Ally will walk you through fixing them. Step-by-step instructions will guide you through fixing the issues. Thanks for watching. For more about what you can do with Ally, visit the IT Service Desk at it.wvu.edu/help. You can find assistance with accessibility issues and universal course design by reaching out to the Office of Accessibility Services or the Teaching and Learning Commons.